Hello, everyone. I'm recording this message to inform the public, journalists, and the relevant authorities about a serious escalation in threats against me here in the United Kingdom. I'm Adil Raja. I'm a UK based journalist and a Pakistani political dissident. For several years, I have been targeted by the Pakistani state because of my reporting on human rights abuses and corruption within Pakistan's military establishment. Recently, Pakistan's Interior Minister publicly proposed an unprecedented and disturbing arrangement: the extradition of myself and former Minister and Barrister Shahzad Akbar in exchange for the deportation of convicted grooming gang offenders from the UK. Let me be absolutely clear: this is not a criminal matter. It is an act of transnational repression aimed at silencing critics. Since this proposal became public, the situation has escalated in many ways that are deeply concerning. On Christmas Day, my home near London was broken into. The police are investigating, and forensic officers attended my address. Around the same time, Mr. Shahzad Akbar, the other individual named in the extradition request, was violently attacked in Cambridge. In addition to this, I have now been formally designated as a proscribed person by the government of Pakistan through a notification issued by its Ministry of Interior. This is not a criminal conviction, nor does it follow any judicial process. It is an administrative label commonly used by authoritarian regimes to legitimize persecution and strengthen extradition attempts against dissidents. These events, the extradition demand, the attack on Mr. Shahzad Akbar, the break in at my home, and my proscription must be viewed together. They point a clear and escalating pattern of intimidation and repression extending beyond Pakistan's borders and into the UK. I have broken no UK law. I have never been charged or convicted of any offense here. A previous counterterrorism investigation in the UK resulted in a no further action. My only so called offense is journalism and peaceful dissent. UK police and counterterrorism policing are already aware of my case due to long standing threats to my safety. I am cooperating fully with the authorities and following their advice. I want to say this clearly. I trust the United Kingdom's commitment to the rule of law, press freedom, and the protection of those who speak out against authoritarianism. I believe it would be profoundly dangerous for any democracy to allow foreign governments to trade, threaten, or persecute journalists and dissidents on its soil. I'm speaking out not only for my own safety, but because this case raises a broader issue: whether transnational repression will be confronted or quietly normalized. Thank you for listening in to me.